No way! Are you kidding me? This is the smallest wireless microphone I've used till now. What is up guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be very interesting because I have something super useful to show you all which can be like very handy for all the creators out there. So problem with your regular wireless microphones is they're quite bulky and not that convenient to carry around guys, especially for your outdoor shoots whenever you're making maybe like Instagram reels or even for your YouTube content, right? But what I'm about to show you in this video is gonna blow your mind. This is a brand new wireless microphone kit from Shure. It's called as a MoveMic and is probably the smallest wireless microphone that I have ever used till now. I mean, look at this thing. This is such a compact looking microphone and hardly weighs around like 8.2 grams. And one more biggest thing is this microphone doesn't require any sort of receiver to connect to your phone guys. Directly connects to your phone via Bluetooth and you can start recording instantly. Makes it very convenient for creators who especially shoot like reels or maybe like YouTube content. This is what we'll be checking out in this video guys. Has like lots of interesting features as well. Let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Shure's MoveMic is available in 2 to 3 different variants. You get MoveMic 1, MoveMic 2 and also with a special receiver kit as well. Today in the house we have the MoveMic 2 edition, that too with the receiver kit included guys. Basically MoveMic 1 is like a single channel microphone. You only get like a single mic that you can directly pair with the phone. If you want 2 mics right for dual channel recording, you can go for the MoveMic 2. And in case if you want to use this MoveMic on your camera or PC, you'll have to go get the receiver kit because without the receiver right, you cannot connect the microphone to your DSLR camera. So based on your requirements, you can choose a particular variant. It came in this sort of box packaging, very good looking packaging, and really love the artwork as well. You have the Shure branding everywhere on the package, and at the back side you can check out all of its main specs and highlights. As soon as you unbox it, there you go boys, our brand new wireless microphone from Shure came in this sort of carry pouch. Along with that you also get some paperwork, basically like user guide and also manual. Make sure to read that. So that's it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Let me give you a closer look and talk about that. Shure's MoveMic 2 receiver kit came in this sort of pouch. Good quality carry pouch, I'd say. Feels soft and squishy as well. Let's just quickly open it and check out the interiors. Oh, plenty of accessories on the inside. And this is a wireless mic I was talking about guys. Shure's all new MoveMic 2. And initial impressions, I have to say, it doesn't look like a microphone. It actually looks like your regular TWS. But now once you actually open it right, there you go, you're actually having your wireless microphones placed on the inside. Good quality carry case. Entire body looks like it's made of plastic material. You have the Shure branding at the top side. Type-C port is also there for charging the case, and also some status LED indicators as well on the front side. If you ask about the weight, the whole case roughly weighs around like 104-105 grams. And let me also remove the microphones and give you a closer look and show you how they look like. So boys, our very first hands-on and initial look at Shure's all new wireless microphones, the MoveMic 2. Talking about the design, they have an oval sort of structure and you do have the Shure branding as well and says MoveMic just beside that. And if you ask about the dimension side, I believe the microphone is roughly around like 2 inches in length, and weight though I've already told you. Build quality is also decent, though I do have to say they kind of look like plasticky for the price that you're paying, and very simple to use guys. At the back side you have like a clip sort of arrangement and you can easily clip onto your shirt, t-shirt or anywhere guys. Super simple. Going to the top side, this is where you have your condenser microphone that picks up your audio. There's nothing much over here. On the left you have a single button, that is your multifunction button, and some charging contacts at the back side. Keeping that aside, as I've told you, today in the house we have the receiver kit edition, right? So receiver unit is also bundled in the carry case. Here's how the receiver unit looks like. This receiver is mainly used to connect your microphone, especially to your DSLR camera or your PC. In case if you're using the microphone only on your phone, right, you don't need this receiver at all. You can directly buy the single mic or dual mic variant. Receiver unit is also quite compact, roughly the same size of the case only I would say. You also have like a LCD display on the front side that shows a lot of information, and 2 buttons are there. One is a 5-way navigational joystick to access the menu and all of its options, and a back button is also there. And to the right side, this is where you have your power button. Going to the left side, this is where you have your audio interface. You're basically getting Type-C and also 3.5mm audio jack is also there, so you can easily connect to your PC or even your DSLR camera. Plus a headphone jack is also there for audio monitoring. On the bottom side, you're getting a fully flexible metal cold shoe mount. So that's it, our complete overview on the design and build quality. Keeping this aside, you do have some accessories which include some Type-C cables plus some tiny wind foams as well for the microphones. Each microphone comes with its own windshield which you can easily install just like this. And last but not the least, you're also getting a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable. So that was our quick unboxing part, and as I've told you at the intro itself, I've been using this microphone for almost like a week, and today I'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback on this microphone. Plus we'll also talk about all the main features and highlights you'll be getting on this model. First of all, you might be wondering where the microphone is, right? Well, let me show you. As you can see, it is very neatly hidden over here. As I've told you, this is so small and compact, people wouldn't even notice that there's a microphone hidden in your t-shirt or shirt. I mean, look at this, it is crazy. On top of that, it is also like very lightweight, guys. This microphone unit is hardly around like 8.2 grams, right? You wouldn't even feel that there is something on your body. Super convenient, I would say. And best part is, everything is wireless, no clutter of wires, and audio is being directly recorded on my phone. Such a hassle-free experience is what I can say. First of all, let me talk about the setup and connectivity part. Today we have the wireless kit variant, and based on the variant you can actually use it on like different platforms. If you choose my variant, right, this particular mic works on both your smartphones, your PC or laptop, and even your DSLR cameras as well. So for the smartphones, right, there is nothing you need, guys. Simply install Shure's app on your phone and it will automatically pair and connect with your phone, guys. As simple as that. You don't even need any sort of receiver over there. Here also you have like two different apps available from Shure. In case if you're like a creator and you shoot videos along with audio, right, then you need to install this app called as Shure plus Motive Video. In case maybe if you're like a journalist and only recording audio is your priority in outdoor situations, then you can directly download their Shure plus Motive app. So depending on the requirement, you can download the compatible app. And the app also offers like plenty of customizations. Audio EQ tuning is also there and other features as well, which will come there and talk about in a moment. Pairing this mic with your phone is also like super simple, guys. Simply take out the wireless microphone from the charging case, press the power button for like 4 to 5 seconds and open Shure plus Motive app on your phone. Once you do that, right, within like 10-15 seconds the app will automatically detect the microphone. Click on that and that's it. It will automatically sync and pair and you're ready to use the microphone anytime. Next time you don't need to pair. Simply take out the microphone and it will automatically connect and you're good to go with your recording. As simple as that. So before we get to the audio quality part, first of all, let me tell you about the different audio formats it can record in and basically the microphone specs and features, whatever the brand has mentioned. This is basically a condenser microphone only and has a frequency response range from 50 Hz to 20 kHz. And main thing is, you might be asking about the wireless range, right? So this microphone has a wireless range of up to like 100 feet. That is almost like 30 meters, I would say. I really wish it had a little longer range, but considering the size and compactness, I think this is the best they could bring out. And not to forget the battery life, which will be coming and talking about it a later part in the video. Now if you talk about the audio recording and formats, this microphone has like multiple audio format support. You can record in wave audio, FLAC audio, and also AAC audio support is also there. Totally depends on your requirement. You can choose anything from the compatible app. And if you ask about the quality, right, it can record a max of up to like 16-bit at 48 kHz and that to a 24-bit audio depth. And the audio that you're actually hearing right now is being directly recorded on my phone from this wireless Shure MoveMic, and this is how it sounds like. Audio quality is actually pretty good, guys, and main thing, as I've told you, now hassle-free experience, no wires, nothing, and also like super small and compact. What do you think about the audio quality? Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And at the beginning I've told you that this microphone also offers like plenty of EQ customization and tuning also in the Shure plus Motive app, right? Right now what you're hearing is actually been slightly EQ tuned by my personal preferences, but if you actually want to hear the raw audio, right, let me actually switch it back and show you how it sounds like. There you go. Now the audio that you're hearing is like the raw flat EQ profile, guys, nothing tuned, directly out of the microphone. This is how it sounds like. It is fine, I would say, but I really prefer the EQ tuned version. Let me just quickly go back. Now this is what I'm talking about. You can actually get like really premium broadcast quality sound from this such a tiny little microphone. I would have never expected that, guys. Audio quality is nice, easily picks up all my dialogues, and vocal clarity is also pretty good. Plus, if you observed one thing, right, very minimum background noise is what I can say. And also the microphone has like a tiny wind shield, guys. A tiny wind foam is also there that cuts down a lot of wind outside. So maybe if you're using this in like outdoor situations where there's a lot of wind blowing, it does does work and definitely cuts down a bit of low frequency, but if you're using it in like heavy situations where there's a lot of wind blowing, right, there it might not be that effective because it's a very small microphone. On top of that, you're getting a tiny windshield, right? So you'll have to consider these sort of points. But good thing is you do have like noise reduction and high pass filter feature also in the Shure Plus compatible app. You can definitely turn them on to reduce any sort of background noises, maybe like your fan noise or maybe like AC noise or any sort of low frequency disturbances that you might be facing in your surrounding ambience. We're almost coming to an end, so let me talk about the battery life as well. And I'm telling you, right, battery life is like a really big highlight on this thing. Considering the size and compact form factor, right, I was not expecting this. Per charge, this microphone, Shure MoveMic, can easily offer up to like 8 hours of battery life. On top of that, not to forget, you're also getting like a charging case with built-in battery. So just like your regular TWS, right, that also supports up to like 2 times charging. So totally you can expect up to like 24 hours of battery life per charge on the go. Really impressive battery life, especially in this segment. Well, that's it guys, time to wrap it up. That was my video on this brand new wireless microphone from Shure, the MoveMic 2. It's a really good microphone, plenty of useful features, and main highlight is the design. Very compact, lightweight, and also like easy to use guys. You can directly use it on your phone without any sort of wireless receiver guys. That is the main highlight. And not to miss out, if you have that receiver, which you'll have to buy separately, you can even use it on your DSLR camera as well. Audio quality is also fine, though you'll need a little bit of EQ customization to match up your taste. But apart from that, everything else is good. Plenty of interesting features as well. Only few things if I had to nitpick is the whole audio recording on your phone can only be done using its compatible app. I really wish Shure could have given us a little bit of freedom and let us use the mic outside the Motive app as well. Lastly, couple of people have been asking on my social media like, does it have like onboard storage for internal recording? No, that option is also not there. The MoveMic 1 single channel mic variant costs around 22,000 rupees in the Indian market, and our dual channel variant with the receiver kit costs somewhere around 43,000-44,000 rupees. I'll leave links to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. What do you people think? Do share your thoughts as well in the comment section down below. If you all enjoyed watching the video and got all the info needed, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.